Sup, my students? All right, guys, you're going to do this Desmos activity right here that I found over summer. It's really cool. I need you guys to do your best at it. Work with each other because some of you guys might have a better idea or better understanding of the directions when you guys get to it than the next person. But anyways, I want to do a quick run through with you guys to make sure everything is clear when you guys start attacking this guy. Okay, so there's going to be a code for you guys to get into the class that your teacher's going to give to you, and then you guys just need to go to desmos.com. student.desmos.com, and then you guys put that code in and you guys can get busy on this activity. So for this first one, actually it has a couple of the same. Okay, it's going to give you an x value, and it's asking you to determine what the value of y is. That's what the g of 0 is. So what's the value of y at 0? So you're going to look at 0 on your x-axis and then say what the value of y is. You can sketch if you want, this little drawing tool, or you guys can do this line thing. I don't know if that helps you at all, and this is an eraser, and you can also change the color. Yay. Okay, so but anyways, you can use those tools to mess around with. Now this one I really like because this is like what I think of when I'm doing my limits. I think you can grab these points too. Yeah, you can move them yourself. But anyways, they're moving, and if you move it and you want it to keep moving, I think you just go back a page. Okay, well maybe you just have to not touch it so it keeps moving. As the x value gets closer and closer to 0, the y values get closer and closer to what? Watch this x value. You see it? See it? See it? It's changing. It's getting closer to 0. What is the y value doing? Okay, you have a couple of these problems, and then read and answer that. And here is the same question as before, except this time they give you a table instead of a graph to look at. Okay, now this is kind of weird the way it's written. I just want to make sure you guys don't get weirded out by it. This little thing right here is supposed to be an arrow. It's supposed to say x is approaching -1. That's supposed to be an arrow. Dang, my arrow doesn't look good. Let's see. Approaching -1 of f of x. So this says, what is the limit of f of x as x is approaching -1? That's what that says. And that's mainly the whole reason why I wanted to write this video or do this video, because I want to make sure you guys can understand what that says. And you see that a couple of times, so I don't want you to be confused. All right, guys, make sure all your responses I'm going to look at and we're going to use when I return on Monday.